April 2021, Johannesburg, South Africa. Clients of AFRI Crypt, one of Africa's most hyped cryptocurrency platforms, receive an alarming notice. The company claims it's been hit by a major cyber attack. Investors are told that 69,000 bitcoins, valued at $4 billion, have mysteriously vanished. The founders, two brothers named Amir and Race KG, assure clients that an internal probe is ongoing, but they strongly advise against going to law enforcement or legal firms, warning it could disrupt the recovery. Meanwhile, the brothers are already halfway across the world, disappearing into thin air. This is the story of how two young men executed one of the most staggering crypto scams in history and disappeared with billions. Flashback to 2019, Johannesburg. Amir and Race Kaji, two ambitious and tech-savvy brothers, spot what they believe is the ultimate financial opportunity. They launch AFRI Crypt, a platform they claim is powered by AI-driven automated Bitcoin trading. Their promises are bold, returns of up to 10% per day. Doubling your money in under 30 days? That's hard to ignore. Wealthy South Africans jump in. The crypto boom is heating up, and AFRI Crypt looks like the next big thing. Popular rapper Nasty C promotes the platform on social media. Football legend Benny McCarthy invests. Even actress Charlize Theron, long interested in finance, puts money in. Rumors swirl that members of South Africa's ruling ANC party are involved too. The Kaji brothers become stars overnight, flaunting Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royces, and Ferraris. They buy luxury homes, party with elites, and grace finance magazines as the new faces of African fintech. But behind the glitz, a very different truth. AFRI Crypt wasn't trading anything. No AI, no algorithms, no magic formula. Investor funds were simply stored in wallets, controlled by the brothers. It was a classic Ponzi scheme. New deposits paid the old ones. The rest sat untouched, piling up in crypto wallets. To keep the illusion alive, they launched aggressive marketing campaigns. They spoke of Africa's first crypto bank. They promised their own coin, AFRI coin, would surpass Bitcoin and Ethereum. But they knew if too many users tried withdrawing funds, the entire system would collapse. So they started planning their exit. Step 1. Secretly move most of the assets into private wallets. Step 2. Find a country where they could hide without risk. Step 3. Craft a believable story to escape blame. And that's when they staged the fake hack. April 2021. AFRI Crypt users log in to check their balances, but something's wrong. Withdrawals are frozen, transactions are stuck. Then the platform sends a chilling update. A hacker has breached the system. All assets are gone. And any attempt to involve police, they say, could make recovery impossible. But instead of calming users, the message creates panic. Support lines go dead. The website vanishes. And the company's office turns out to be a regular suburban house. No staff, no servers, no tech infrastructure. Experienced blockchain users begin tracing transactions. They find that for weeks leading up to the hack, large amounts of Bitcoin were quietly moved out of AFRI Crypt's wallets. The brothers didn't send the coins directly to exchanges. That would be easy to trace. Instead, they routed them through crypto mixers, anonymizing the trail. From there, funds were converted into stablecoins, and even Monero, a cryptocurrency known for being nearly untraceable. By the time the breach was announced, the money had already disappeared beyond recovery. Panicked investors contacted authorities. But investigators hit a wall. There's no record of the Kaji brothers leaving South Africa. No flights, no passport exits, no visas. They had simply vanished. What's more, a week before the collapse, internal staff began losing access to the system. Only Amir and Reis retained full control. One legal firm, Honeycomb Attorneys, filed a formal complaint demanding investigation and asset recovery. South African police launched a probe, but hit another snag. AFRI Crypt wasn't even registered as a financial company. There were no formal oversight structures in place, and legally the government couldn't intervene. Meanwhile, the case started making international headlines. Interpol got involved. The brothers were placed on its wanted list. Later, it came out that before vanishing, the Kaji brothers had quietly secured citizenship in Vanuatu, a remote island nation with no extradition treaty and lax financial monitoring. Unconfirmed reports placed them in Dubai, a hotspot for underground crypto deals. Others believed they fled to Tanzania. Some speculated they were hiding in the UK under false identities. But no location was ever verified. In 2023, a surprise twist. Swiss investigators discovered a hardware wallet inside a Zurich bank deposit box, potentially containing stolen AFRI Crypt funds. But without the password, it was impossible to unlock. Whether it belongs to the Kaji brothers remains unknown. By 2024, the investigation hit a dead end. The South African financial regulator admitted, since AFRI Crypt wasn't a licensed institution, no one could legally be held responsible. The question remains, will the Kaji brothers ever be found, or has $4 billion simply vanished forever?